Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Scratch Remover is probably one of the most sought-after car care products, promising crystal-clear windshields and a renewed sense of driving confidence, but with countless options flooding the market, each boasting miraculous results. How do you choose the right one that truly delivers on its promises without breaking the bank or causing more harm than good? Today, we'll dive deep into the world of car windshield scratch removers, uncovering the best products and helping you make an informed decision to restore your windshield's pristine condition. Number 5. Carfidant Black Scratch Remover. It's specially formulated for black and dark-colored paint. You can safely use it on any clear coat, single-stage, or multi-stage paint. Easily fix light scratches and swirls. With the included buffer pad and compound, you can remove years of wear and tear. It removes swirls and scratches, restoring the gloss and shine. It also removes water spots and oxidation, bringing back the original brilliance. It uses only the best chemicals, no unnecessary dyes or scents. It's professional grade, yet easy for anyone to use. We're professionals and enthusiasts who spent years developing this product. We believe in it 100%, and so will you. What we like. This kit is specially designed for black and dark-colored cars, easily removing light scratches and swirls. It also restores your paint's original shine and gloss, bringing back that showroom look. If you have a dark-colored car with minor scratches and want to restore its shine, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The packaging. Solid and robust. The contents. A concoction of restoration magic, a microfiber cloth, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. The process was surprisingly straightforward, and with a little elbow grease, we were off to the races. I kid you not, the scratch started to fade. This product did exactly what it says it does. The truck looks 100% better. It removed it covered up, almost all of the scratches and swirl marks on the paint. Number 4. Chemical Guys COM_129_16 VSS. Say goodbye to swirls and scratches. This easy-to-use polish quickly removes defects and leaves a mirror-like finish in just one step. It's more than just a polish, it restores your car's finish to its original glory. No more hiding imperfections, just a brilliant shine. This one-step polish works hard, saving you time and effort. It cuts through light to moderate scratches and swirls, delivering a lustrous shine faster than multi-step processes. It's powerful enough to remove tough scratches and swirls, yet gentle enough to leave a flawless finish. Experience the difference. Chemical Guys is the trusted name in car care. We offer not only top-quality products but also exceptional customer support and a wealth of detailing knowledge. What we like. This product is a one-step solution for removing scratches and swirls, leaving a mirror-like finish. It saves you time compared to multi-step processes. If you're looking for efficiency and a flawless finish, this is the one for you. What people say. Removed scratches without any damage to the paint. Typical good Chemical Guys product. The product works perfectly. It's amazing. After claying the car and only having a cordless drill, needed a DA to get the final finish, I polished the car and the results are amazing. If I had a DA, all the scratches would have come out, but I got 99% out. Number 3. 3D Speed Car Polish. It's a premium all-in-one clear coat car polish and wax. This means you get paint correction and wax protection in a single bottle for ultimate convenience. It's an excellent scratch and swirl remover. It delivers minor paint correction for both small and large areas, restoring your car's finish. It restores your paint's color, depth, and gloss. Plus, it adds a long-lasting wax layer for superior protection. It's easy to apply by hand for smaller areas or with a polisher or buffer for larger areas. Application is simple and straightforward, no matter the size of the job. It's made in the USA with over 25 years of research and development in car care. Experience a trusted and high-quality car polish and wax. Individual results may vary depending on the condition of your car's paint. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. What we like. It's an all-in-one solution that corrects scratches, swirls, and adds a wax sealant for protection. This product restores your paint's color, depth, and gloss while adding a protective layer. If you want a simple, effective solution that combines scratch removal with wax protection, this is ideal. What people say. The work it makes for scratch removals are amazing when you finish the jobs, and just look at how the water repel of the cars are just like the car is recently painted. LOL. Works great, and again is a high quality product that won't leak any drop. The scratches are gone to the naked eye. I also used it on a spot where I had stupidly used a paper towel to wipe some dirt off a year or so ago, and it took the hazing right off. Would never know it was ever there. The polish itself is purple, smells like grape bubblegum, doesn't dust at all from what I can tell, and is very effective without having to use anything more than about 3 pea-sized drops per panel. It wipes off fairly easily, but being an LSP, there is some resistance in wiping off the product once it hazes. Also, the LSP beads really well. It looks really nice on metallic colors as well. Additionally, I used it for polishing the side and rear windows and couldn't have been happier with the results. Number 2. Formula 1 Scratch Out. Is your car's paint marred by unsightly scratches? It's time to bring back that showroom shine. This amazing product will help you do just that. This isn't your average scratch remover. It uses precision micropolishing agents to smooth out imperfections and restore your car's clear coat to its former glory. Watch as it removes haze and swirl marks, revealing the vibrant color beneath. It's like giving your car a mini makeover. No special tools are needed, just a soft cloth. Simply clean the area, apply it evenly, and buff to a brilliant shine. It's not just for paint. It also works wonders on restoring clarity to oxidized headlights and taillights. One product, multiple uses. For over 30 years, detailing professionals and car enthusiasts have relied on this product for exceptional results. Get the shine you deserve. What we like. This compound uses advanced micropolishing agents to remove fine scratches and swirl marks, restoring your car's paint to its original richness and depth. It's easy to use and requires no special tools. If you prefer a simple, no-fuss application for light scratches, this is a great option. What people say. It entirely removed the scratch. Most of the scratches are gone. With each application the light scratches were less noticeable each time. It's easy to use and doesn't have an industrial smell. Number 1. Gordon Glass Cerium Oxide Kit. Say goodbye to scratches and restore your glass surfaces to their former glory. This kit is perfect for car windshields, windows, mirrors, and more. It uses cerium oxide, a superior polishing compound, to remove light scratches, scuffs, and stains effectively and efficiently. It's perfect for achieving a professional-looking finish. The generous 8-ounce bag of cerium oxide powder ensures you have plenty for multiple projects. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with this kit. The included 3-inch felt polishing wheel is compatible with electric drills and grinders, making the polishing process quick and easy. It's durable and built to last. Create a slurry with water, and it can be reused multiple times. It's also zinc-free, making it a safe and environmentally conscious choice. Get professional quality results without the professional price tag. It's a cost-effective alternative to expensive glass replacements. What we like. This kit provides professional-grade results for removing scratches from glass surfaces, including windshields. The durable felt wheel and high-quality cerium oxide compound make it easy to achieve a flawless finish. If you need to remove fine scratches from your windshield, this kit is perfect for the job. What people say. After about 20 minutes of polishing, the scratches were all gone. It's messy but works wonders. I used the drill and kept the product wet with a spray bottle and worked the product into the scratch, and slowly but surely you would see the scratches going away, and after 20 or so minutes on each window, the scratches came out. On an older car where the glass has lost its luster or has heavy water spots, this stuff works fantastic, but be prepared to invest 1 hour or more for just one piece of glass to see improvement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.